Hi students, in the last class we discussed about the topic is powers and exponents, then how to write the largest numbers into standard form and how to convert the standard form into usual form. Today I am going to start that new chapter that is frequency distribution tables. This chapter will be used in 9th and 10th class also. In this, the important concept is basic measures of central tendency. There are three basic measures of central tendencies. First one is arithmetic mean, second one is median, and third one is mode. In arithmetic mean, to find ungrouped data and grouped data. That grouped data means generally we done in that earlier classes, that is called as a average also. Already we know the formula of average, sum of the observations by number of observations. That formula is belongs to in frequency distribution tables, that is arithmetic mean of a ungrouped data. So here the first basic measures of a central tendency is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is nothing but average. That arithmetic mean or average formula is sum of the observations. Observations means here given the numbers, that may be temperatures, rainfall, marks, and that amounts, weighs, whatever. So observations means given the numbers, given the values, sum of all observations by number of all observations. So divide sum of all observations by number of observations, will be get arithmetic mean. Briefly we can write x bar is equal sigma xi by n. Sigma is indicating in this formula sum of sum. Sum means we have to use the plus symbol. X bar is the symbol of arithmetic mean. So the formula is sigma xi by n. This is the formula to use to find a arithmetic mean of ungrouped data. So here I am taking one example. In the month of July, I recorded the rainfall in one place 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. The rainfall of in the month of July recorded 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6, 10 and 12 centimeters. What is the arithmetic mean or what are the average rainfall of the month of July? So here given the observations are 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Now formula is x bar is equal sigma xi by n, means sum of all observations by number of observations, means here rainfalls 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10 plus 12 by n means total 5, 9, 15, 25, 27, 37 by 5. Divide this 37 by 5, 5 7s are 35, 2 is the remainder. According to the point we can put 1 0, 5 4s are 20. So the average rainfall of that month is 7.4 centimeters. So this is the method to find the arithmetic mean of a ungrouped data. So the next, it is commonly used, most commonly used the central tendency, that is the arithmetic mean. So the next is second central tendency of is median. That meaning of a median, the most middle value of the data is called median. So in this class just we are learning that how to find out the median of a ungrouped data. In 9th and 10th class we have to find by using the formulas median of a grouped data. So just in this class just we are learning to find a median of ungrouped data. The meaning of median is the most middle value of the data is called median. See, they are given the numbers are 2, 4, 10, 6, 5, 8 and 12. Here given the total 7 observations. The meaning of median is the median is a most middle value of the data when the observations are arranged in increasing order or decreasing order. Increasing order means ascending order, decreasing order means descending order. See, I am going to write ascending order. Ascending order of this data, smallest numbers to the largest number, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. See, in this observation, the 6 is the most middle value. 6 is the most middle value. So, this median of this data is 6. Okay. But here given the observations are 7. 7 is the odd number. Just we are taking that most middle value is the median. That will become a median only. In case the observations are in the form of even, so we have to take that arithmetic mean of 2 middle values. Now I will check it. Five, 4, 3, 6, 7, 10, 8 and 9. Okay. Given the observations are 5, 4, 3, 6, 7, 10, 8 and 9. Total 8 observations are there. 8 is an even number. So first of all we have to arrange in ascending order or descending order. The smallest observation is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is an even number. So, median will become the arithmetic mean of 2 middle values. Here 2 middle values are 6 and 7. So, median is equal the arithmetic mean of 2 middle values, that is 6 plus 7 by 2 is equals 13 by 2, that is 6.5. Okay. There are 2 formulas to find a median of the data when the observations are given and odd observations are given and even. Suppose the number of observations are odd. It means n is odd. So, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 th observation. Suppose the number of observations are in the form of odd. So, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 th observation. Check this one. Here 7 observations are given. 7 plus 1 by 2. 8 by 2 is equal to 4th observation will become a median. Here 4th observation is 6. So, median is equal to 6. when the number of observations are odd, the median is equal n plus 1 by 2th observation. So in case the number of observations are even, n is an even, so the median is equal the average or the arithmetic mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observations. Now I am taking this one here, n is equal to 8, n by 2th means 8 by 2, fourth observation, and 4 plus 1th, fifth observation. So the average of 4th and 5th from this data, that is 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 by 2 is equal 13 by 2 is 6 by 5. So the formulas are, when the observations are odd, n plus 1 by 2th observation is the median. When the n is an even, the average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observations, the average of these two observations is giving the median of the data. The next is mode. What is the meaning of mode? It is a loss central tendency of mode is the most occurs frequently in the data is called a mode. Generally we can say in the data that the observation which is repeated more times, that is called a mode of the data. See, 2, 4, 2, 6, 7, 2, 8, 10. In these observations, 2 is repeated 3 times. So, mode of this data is equal to 2. Sometimes in the data, the 2 observations are repeated equal times. There may be 2 dots, 2 modes, that is called a bimode. Suppose one mode is there, that is called a unique mode. In case sometimes 3 observations are repeated equal times, the data has that 3 modes, that is called tri-mode.